Most tailors don't know this, but I'll be showing you how to get free sewing pattern using ChatGPT in 2 minutes. The first thing you need to do is to open the app. You can open this on your phone or laptop and type in exactly what you want to create. So in this case, I'm typing I want a pattern for cotton trouser. And once you send it, it's going to process the message and reply you back. So this is the reply. The first things that are needed is the measurement, telling me exactly what is needed, the waist, hip, and other things. And it's also going to explain other parts of the trouser and how to achieve it. So I'm going to put the measurement directly of the client. You can also use it to generate other patterns, skirt, top, any pattern at all, even designs. Once you are done, you send the measurement. So now it's generating how to use those measurements, telling me how to divide the hip, the waist, the length, and everything, and how to add seam allowance. I'll be asking ChatGPT to create the pattern as an image. Once I'm done typing, I'll send. So the pattern is being created. You just need to wait for some little seconds, then see the result. At this point, the pattern has been created already. You can see the front side and the back side of the trouser, including the measurement, how it's being divided, how the seam allowance are being added, and everything. Once you see this, you can save the picture and then print it out in the right frame, then place it on your fabric directly to cut. So this is one of the ways tailors can use AI to their advantage.